In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a scan as a JPEG from Scanner Pro on iPhone. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a scanned document and send it as an image that's easy for anyone to view on almost any device. First, open the Scanner Pro app on your iPhone. Give it a moment to load your recent scans. You should see a grid or list of documents you've captured before. Find the one you want to share and tap it to open. This brings up the detailed view so you can confirm you've got the right file. Take a quick look to make sure the pages are clear and cropped the way you want, because whatever you see here is what will be shared. Now look for the export icon. It's the square with an upward pointing arrow, similar to the standard iOS share symbol. Tap that icon to bring up your export options. Here's the key step. Choose image or JPEG as the format. Selecting JPEG ensures the scan is shared as a common image file rather than a PDF. JPEG is great for compatibility and quick viewing, especially if the person on the other end just needs to see the content and isn't planning to edit a PDF. If your scan has multiple pages, Scanner Pro may export multiple JPEGs, one per page, which is helpful when sending a series of images. After choosing JPEG, tap Share. This opens the iOS share sheet where you decide how to send it. You can pick Mail if you want to attach it to an email, Messages if you're sending it as a text, AirDrop for nearby Apple devices, or another compatible app you use for communication or storage. If you're sharing with someone who doesn't use specific apps, JPEG is ideal because it displays almost anywhere without special software. Follow the prompts in the method you choose. In Mail, the JPEG will attach automatically. Add your recipient, a subject line, and send. In Messages, the image appears in the Compose field. Select a contact, add any note you want, and send it off. With AirDrop, select the nearby device when it appears, and the file will transfer directly. That's all there is to it. Open Scanner Pro, choose your document, use the export icon, set the format to image or JPEG, tap Share, pick your delivery method, and complete the send. With these steps, you'll keep your scans clear, compatible, and easy to share every time. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you share your documents quickly and confidently.